What's up YouTube, it's Matthew here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to call people back to call the number off my yellow postcard when I'm sending out mail to distressed properties. So if you all find any value from this, be sure to like, subscribe, comment down below. Essentially, if people call the number off my yellow postcard, it actually goes straight to a voicemail, just introducing who I am and what I'm about and how I'm buying houses for cash around the area. If they call and they leave a voicemail saying they're not interested, I just take them off the list. And if they leave an address and everything, I just take them off the list saying if they're not interested, and I don't call them back. But if they do call saying that they are interested and they leave an address and everything, then I call them back. I get a lot of calls also from people who say they are interested, but they don't leave anything, or people that just call and don't leave any voicemails. I still call those contacts back. And so I'm about to do that right now, so let's head right into the calls.
Once you click the start button on your screen, please leave your message for...
Please call me back at 423.
Hello, please leave a message after the tone.
I saw that you called our number off the yellow postcard.
I'm sorry, the person you are trying to reach has a voicemail box that has not... Please leave your message for...
Hello?
Hey, sir, this is Matthew. I'm just calling this number back. I received a call from this number. I believe it's in regards to a yellow postcard you got in the mail, just seeing if you're interested in a cash offer on your property. Do you remember receiving one, sir? Yeah, I'm that guy trying to buy houses around the area, investment properties. Have you been thinking about selling?
No, I have not. I've been here 50-something years. I plan on staying.
Okay, you're planning on staying. All right, no problems. You don't think you'll be selling anytime within a year or two?
No, I don't think so. I'm probably gone for it, but my kids will have to have
All right.
I got right.
Okay. Well, yeah, what's the, I didn't get a voicemail, and I don't want to keep on annoying you with our postcards in the mail. So what's the address so I can take you off of our list? Okay, do you have any other properties you may be interested in selling, though?
I don't have any other.
Okay. Okay. You don't know anyone else who might be interested in selling their property for cash? Okay. All right. Sounds good, Henry. Well, I appreciate it. You have a great rest of your day.
You too.
All right. Bye-bye.
Call.
Hello, this is Matthew.
This is Naomi on that. No, the place is not for sale and has deceased, so don't call no more.
All right. Okay. We'll take you off of our list.
All right.
All right. Thank you. Bye.
Hello.
Hello. My name is Matthew. I'm just calling this number back. I received a call from this number.
I can't hear you.
Yeah, I received a call from this number.
No wrong things right now, period. No bad things right now, period. And when you go to CBS,
Can you hear
you
me?
have control of what
Hello?
Okay. That's right here. I don't care what the lady said. I can't bring the room myself. I don't care what they
Hello?
I'm going to bring the room. People who work there.
Okay.
Period. I was given to the...
You?
Hi, Linda.
Matthew, this is Linda.
Hi, Linda.
So,
Yeah.
I was wanting to... I'm about ready to list my home, so I wanted to know, do y'all buy for clients?
For clients?
Do you buy for
Well, yeah, we mostly buy for investments. So something that may need a little bit of love that we can update, and use it as a rental or put it back on the market. I mean, does your property need any updates or repairs?
No, I mean, it is an older home, and so, I mean, it could be updated some, but I mean, it's a gem. It sits on an acre, 1.2 acres, and it's like two minutes to the Interstate 75. It's in a prime location. It's a large home, and it's been well kept. And I mean, I don't know. I mean, everything works in it. There's not anything wrong with my home. But it's too big. I've been widowed for 4 years, so I'm going to downsize.
Oh, okay. All right. Are you thinking about staying in the Cleveland area?
Maybe. I might go toward Knoxville.
Okay. Yeah, well, I think with your property, yeah, it's probably best that you just list it if there's not any, like, renovations needed on it. Do you know how much you're planning to list it for?
I do know what I'm going to ask for it. I was going to ask $369 for it. It could be a 4-bedroom home, mostly 3-bedroom. The upstairs has a room that we've used for a nursery and a youth room. We've used it for a computer room. It's got a closet and a window in it, but I usually just say a 3-bedroom. It could be a 4-bedroom, 2.5 baths, and it's gas heat and it's central air.
Right. Yeah, and I know this market is crazy, but just looking at the market in that area for that size house, I don't know, $369 will work for like even retail buyers, but I mean, you never know. But yeah, I think for us, it probably just wouldn't work for us around that price range. Yeah.
All right. That's what I needed to know before I actually put it on the market. Thank you, Maggie.
All right. Thank you, Linda, and good luck.
For getting back with.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay. Bye-bye.
All right. Bye. That last house is worth $260, all updated on the market. And she wants $369 and it needs update. Yeah, it's probably in decent condition where you can rent it out, but no.
I'm sorry, the person.
All right, you all. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Just me making calls back to people. Most of the people were not interested. Some people were polite. I tried to call back someone who was just cussing in one of the voicemails. I don't want to play it because of the algorithm and cuss words and everything. All you will hear is beep, 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 essentially. So there's no point of me playing it. But I was calling that person back because I want to take them off of my list. I don't want to waste my money sending postcards to them, even though that call might be a little bit intense or tense. I just, I mean, that's the point of living. I mean, that's the point of, you put yourself in uncomfortable situations like that. But yeah, anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Once again, like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll talk to you all later. Peace.